Edo State gubernatorial election don finally reach ground as e go shele in 2 days time wey be September 21, 2024. Without ballot papers, ballot boxes and other sensitive materials to do the election, e no go fit hold. Na dis one make the Independent National Electoral Commission INEC for Edo State on Thursday, September 19, 2024 distribute the materials wey dem need to conduct the election to the 18 local government areas for the state. INEC officials, representative of political parties, security personnel and Tory people tanda gidigba for the Central Bank of Nigeria (CBN) Edo State read the materials for land to supervise the sorting, distribution and loading of buses wey go carry the materials go their final destination. For one to talk with Edo INEC Resident Electoral Commissioner Dr. Anugbu Onuha, he come to us say dem don show the materials to the political parties and security personnel, make them observe and they don't see everything. He considered the material distribution na to 4,519 units, 192 wards and 18 local government areas for the state.
We're here at Central Bank to deploy the sensitive material to the various local governments. Before we did that, we signed the sensitive material to political parties, to security agents, to observe, and to the glory of God, all of them, they have seen the sensitive material. So we are giving them to various local governments. We started from Edo North, after Edo North, Edo Central, before Edo South. Sensitive material is the result sheet. The result sheet. The voting sheets, essentially, those are we call them from A. Well, A is the voting, the one used in voting. We gave them from B. From B is the ward population result, and for C is the local government population result. Edo local government has 4,519 units. Edo local government has 192 RA or wards. Edo local government has 18 local governments. The commission, the Independent Electoral Commission, had 19 programs. On the 26th of September 2003, the Independent National Commission published a timetable and schedule of activities. So far, we have executed 11 out of the 13, and the third day for the 12th one we end today. Today we serve as the last day by 12 midnight will be the last day for campaign. And I want you to also tell the political party that by 12 today, they are not expected to campaign again. Then the 13th one will be on the 21st day of September 2024.
Some political parties representatives come express their satisfaction for the distribution of the sensitive materials and come appeal to the security personnel to escort the materials jejely to their destinations. They come also urge Edo people to come out in large numbers to vote for their candidates wey dem choose.
Greg Benamaya, the chairman of Inter-Party Advisory Council, IPAC, Edo State. And I may also be the chairman of People's Redemption Party, PROP, Edo State. So far so good, the thing they go on well. Yesterday we first come here, we come inspect the materials, they bring them come from Abuja, come Benin. INEC carry us along, party leaders, party chairman, IPAC. So it was good and fair. We left here a little bit late. Today we don't come now to witness the distribution of the materials and the signing of the different relevant forms. So far so good, they see they carry us along. But the only one thing I want to be say, somebody asked me just now, say whether me trust say INEC will conduct free and fair election. INEC and police. I say well, so far so good they carry me as chairman of IPAC and other party members along. But the only problem where I can't get is say, well, a few days ago when we do the stakeholders meeting and sign up peace accord, some party can't come out. They don't write petition, can't give me as chairman of IPAC. Say they don't believe say the election will be free and fair because they don't trust INEC, they don't trust police. So the matter they can't resign. So now that matter, let me want to IPAC stand for peace. Every party now our member. So we want to say for there to be peaceful election, we beg INEC, we beg police We beg all the relevant institutions, make them try as much as possible, make them make sure say all those issues where they raise, that party raise, say they don't take trust INEC and police, make them resolve them before the election come, so that the election will be peaceful, because we don't want to make anybody die for this election. We want to make the election be peaceful. We both say democratic process is supposed to be fair and peaceful, supposed to be transparent. So make them ensure say all of these things dey like that, so that tomorrow we'll say Edo do election and it was peaceful and the right person come emerge as the governor of Edo State. But you know say na person take dey do something, look something to say okay this thing good or e not good, this thing na so e be or e not be. Wetin we see, all of us dey here, wey our eyes see, whether mago dey or that we don't know. Wetin our eyes see, all the 18 local government materials they were intact wey we see yesterday.
I'm Right Honorable Festus Ebeya, former Deputy Speaker, Edo State House of Assembly. I'm of the APC. So far, then they do well. The thing clean for eye. What they do, we like the way they are doing it. The rec, when we come here yesterday, it show us where the so-called strong room there for SI Central Bank here. And it show us, say they already pack them down, wrap them, local government, and we counted the 18 local government, they're complete. So far, we like what they go on. We know, say, the governor when they here, when he say na PDP in there, na just promise and fail government, now he do. And we know, say, Edo people, then they too wise. The man will not get respect for anybody. And they say, tell me your friend, I will tell you who you be. So, since he and the candidate, they are very good friends. We don't believe, say, difference will they if then come. So, Edo people know, say, this is not the kind of person when we want to make it continue because of where in from they come. And the person when they on our side, Mondi Okpewol, you know, say before he join politics, he don't get the heart to help the cause of human being, mankind. He run scholarship well. He help to renovate schools. He give employment of all kinds without being in politics. So, person when we know, say, when you say, I trust him, they go say, what you know, say, you don't do before. We know, say, Monday don't perform before. So when we give and trust, not to say, before that trust, when we give and to make sure, say, he do more. Monday Okpewolo of the APC will carry the day. There will be no argument about that. And those citizens know the man who will wear the cap. And of course, they know the man who the cap fits. That's Monday Okpewolo. They know that they don't want the man when he not get respect for tradition to continue. They don't want the man when he make sure, say, Edo State debt, it don't be like over 400 or 500% increase since Oshomole left it. And the economic advisor, he not they immune over how all those things they happen. But what they can do, we not see them. Everything I MOU. So this scam is too much. And Edo people know that one. So they know, say, whatever it is, they will come out to vote for APC.
We think INEC has done well. They've organized this distribution of materials pretty well. We think that CBN has been very hospitable. They've shown some hospitality towards all those of us that came here. Akoko-Edo just left. We think that it is now left for the police to make sure that those materials get to the different local government areas. INEC and CBN have done their bit. It's now left to make sure that the police must now ensure that those materials are not diverted, that they get to the local governments for which they are meant. And then we'll take it off from there. From there, they should go to the INEC headquarters, the different local governments, and then the rack centers from tomorrow. So far, so good. Pretty good for us as a party. Edo lies, come out en masse and vote for PDP. This suffering in the land is too much. We can't afford to take this state to an APC-led government that will bring us more hunger, more suffering, and more hardship. We are tired, and I think PDP is an option that we can explore.
I'm Comrade Obaloy, KSC, Chairman, Labour Party, Edo State. Well, in so far the inspection is going on well. You can see me here with the secretary of our party at state level, Dr. Ahere. I did hear gidigba. They look this matter, and for Labour Party, a lot of us get experience for how they handle INEC issues and papers. So for what we don't see for ground now, it's still fine. Nothing don't go where we feel complain about. Nothing where we feel complain about. It's still going on well. But we never finish as we do. But for where we begin, reach where we did now, the things still dey well. It's no matter of assurance because the human complexity is there. I'm not going to monitor. I know if we monitor go all local government now, but we have confidence. Say the policemen, the security agents that are with us, they are Nigerians, and they see everything for themselves. So we know we'll take our own hand, destroy ourselves. So we they get confidence. Say as we send a message, say make now do this thing, they go do and well. But I know go fit come punch say na so it must be because. Moki talk say the pikin wey dey in belle na him go fit talk, but the one wey dey back, he no fit know the time wey go plug leaf or anything for somebody farm. So, but we dey normally confident say police sef dem know the job wey dem send them and dem know wetin dem suppose do. So, with all that hope, we think say dem go escort them well and nothing go happen. It's simple. We winning the election. That's my expectation. Because we don't work hard. Labour Party don't work hard. Now 3 times we don't go through the 18 local government, go meet our people for their homes, for their streets, for their town, to talk to them, say wetin we dey do. Okay? So we not be like other political party where they go sit down like ogas for the where they dey. Then people they come to meet them. We go meet our people. The thing wey concern papa, mama, pikin, na Labour Party put hand. And we know say our people for those states don't understand say the thing where we both dey help prosperity, wey be family own, wey concern papa, mama, pikin, na we put hand. So for us, we no get anything to. As I dey talk to you now, my candidate sef, he don campaign go another location for Insha land. He don go ewo me. So we dey do the work proper. We mean na say na work. We dey carry matter go meet our people, tell them. Because you know if you talk say wetin dey ground na wey dey ground now na supposed to be good life for our people. If government dey na to bring good life for the people, na be the reason why government dey. But this one wey we get now no be good life. So Labour Party don stand gidigba say we must change and bring good life for our people for Edo State. Road no dey, security no dey, schools no work well, health center na wahala. So wetin we dey talk now? If government no fit do this one, wetin remain? So on Saturday, which is this weekend, 21st, Labour Party will create the freedom for the people of Edo State.
Institutions wey dey related to the election don also receive advice say make dem carry out their duties well to ensure say the election dey free, fair and credible. Make una no forget say as we see am, na so we dey talk am. We no dey take blame. From Benin City, Ekata Ojisoli, TMC TV News.